the charts, bro. That's all I'm gonna say. That's all I'm gonna say. I took a total of 4 trades today. I would have lost what I made yesterday on yesterday's win and dug a little bit of a deeper hole. But however, it is what it is for real. That was my first trade I entered. Lost, was looking for sells. Right there. Seen another one. Let's go to the 15 minutes so you guys can see what I was seeing. Was a lot of accumulation and manipulation going on in the markets today. This area right here. It's just price accumulating. So price is really accumulating. The beginning of when I trade. That purple box is the accumulation phase. However, I still entered one trade or about 2 trades because I was really adamant about sales today. So another sell. Yeah, entered right there. And I came out early on this trade because I didn't like how it looked. But on this last trade, I look at the time, 12:03. I deserve to lose this trade, honestly, because I don't trade at 12. I'm not supposed to be in the markets at 12, so I deserve to lose this trade. Literally, deserve to lose it. Not even mad at that. And if you could see, I really should have got out of the market once I seen price break this right here on the 15 minute, because that now was telling me that we going for buys. So let's just see if I could have even got in for a buy anywhere. And you see, that would have been my buy. But you don't always know what's going on. And that's what I've been working on. Really paying attention to what's going on. Like, not just, oh, it's buying and selling. Like, no. Is it rebalancing? Is it imbalancing? Is it about to be a flip? And to be honest, a part of me was like, oh, let me switch to buys. But I'm like, no, my bias is sell for the day. I'm gonna sell. When I was back testing, I noticed something. And this is where you get most of your quote unquote, well, where I get most of my quote unquote losing days. If we are in a seller's market, like right now, this is on the daily point of view, and the daily is rebalancing, I think that would be a good opportunity to catch buys. And I back tested it. I should have made a video about it, but now I'm just gonna kill two birds with one stone. When when your daily is rebalancing, I feel like that's the only time. Not even, I don't want to say that's the only time because I didn't want to put myself in a box, but that looks like a premium time to buy. But I had to learn that through losing, obviously, which is a small price to pay. And even 4 trades was a bit much. Was too much to be honest, because I really just want that one good trade. But even I look on that 15, and I saw a price going up. The way I was thinking, I was like, okay, maybe it's just manipulating, accumulating buy side liquidity so it can sell. But that's not what happened. Like, it actually flipped. And had I been ready, I could have seen the flip. I could have got in on multiple positions, honestly. See, like right here would have been beautiful. Let me remove this because you guys already seen. Like, this would have been the perfect opportunity to buy right here. Oh, not so really, because it was after 12. So I probably would have stayed out of it, but it's just good to see like what happened or how it played out. You know. Yeah, that's nice. But we're not gonna dwell on what we could have did. Definitely, if there's one thing I could work on tomorrow, it's really just taking my loss and leaving. Like just taking my loss and leaving. Like that's really all I need to work on. Just taking my loss and leaving. Cause it's like I've made back my loss so many times. I think I could do that every day, and it's like that's not really sustainable. So like to be honest, bro, you just gonna have your days where you do make back what you and more, or you might have days where you dig a deeper hole. It is what it is. To be honest, it's just one of those days we dug a deeper hole. The account is still alive. Definitely risking smaller tomorrow. Definitely risking smaller tomorrow, and because of this uh rebalancing phase that's going on a daily, I low-key feel a little better about taking cells because 1 hour and 4 hours should be in a little bit more of a premium to sell from. And now looking at it, we were in a on a 1 hour at least. We were on a I'm gonna count this. We were trading on the 50. Just like I say, you don't gonna see everything. You're not gonna see everything. Even look at the 4 hour. hmm It was trading at the 50. Basically looking for sales in an already discounted price. But that only came because price is rebalancing right now. So I can see price going up to here. It's a daily fair value gap presented itself already. 4 hour fair value gap right here. Like it was a lot of signs to buy. Oh, good reasons you could have buy, but bro, you ain't gonna win every trade. It is what it is. Execution was on point. I did trade what I seen. I saw a sell break. I traded. I traded the sell break. I did what I was supposed to do. I did what I was supposed to do. No lie. So it was a good day. And yeah.